Hello everyone. Today we are going to talking about extreme weather. It is a serious issue of the global. Check out CNN's news coverage on the global environment, or go to YouTube for extreme weather videos. You will see so many inspiring videos. Extreme weather or extreme climate event include unexpected, unusual, several, or unseasonal weather at extremes of the historic distribution, the range that has been seen in the past. Often, extreme events are based on the locations recorded weather history and defined as lying in the most unusual 10%. Extreme weather affects human lives and society, even economic and politics. Then we will introduce one of them, hurricanes.
Off the west coast of Africa, just north of the equator, but under storm fronts. It is just a typical towering thunderstorm cloud, but it might grow into something quite different. A hurricane. This happened in many other tropical areas of the world too, but only under certain circumstances. These storms are called hurricanes in the Atlantic, and are called typhoon and tropical cyclones in other parts of the world. For one to form, there needs to be warm ocean water and moist, humid air in the region. When humid air is flowing upward at the zone of low pressure of warm ocean water, the water is released from the air, thus creating the cause of the storm.
Typhoon is the one of extreme climate. It will bring abundant rainfall that make soil and rocks become loosened, and even causing landslide. However, everything has two sides. In addition to the negative impact of typhoon, they are also having some advantage. For example, it will bring us a lot of fresh water to use.
Now, we know information about hurricanes, or we can call it is typhoon. It has great influence on Taiwan, no matter good or bad. We can't avoid extreme weather. We must to face that disaster, because when we get to the bottom of it, it is all our own fault. In fact, human overuse resource of nature. It is makes environment where human life be changed. Therefore, we need to save energy, develop the habit of turning off the power at will, and make proper use of the resources without wasting them. As the Bible says, God gives people management ability of the earth. We have only one earth. Even it is not perfect, but we also should take care of this gift from God, and we should do great to manage earth. Be a good manager. Thanks for your listening.